everyone did such a wonderful job. Kasi, I think, natuwa din ako na yun yung song choice nila kasi it really reminded us of our performance nung The Voice generation. So, naalala namin si Kuya Chito tsaka si Stel. Tapos, nung inaantay talaga namin yung part na, rocket ship, on my way to Mars, yun, talaga inaabangan namin. Tapos ako ng tawa ni Kuya Billy kasi nga, talaga naalala namin yung mga memories na yun. So, it brought us back to that moment. Tapos, natuwa din kami kasi maganda yung, yung energy talaga ng mga bata. And, yeah, they really pulled it off.